If you want to live luxury life, then come in Parkview City, Islamabad. The dancing fountains at the downtown Islamabad lake are the biggest attraction of our beautiful capital city. Be mesmerized by the soothing movements of the water fountains at the most in-demand commercial area of Pakistan. This dancing fountain is the biggest fountain of Pakistan and many downtown like Dubai. It is situated near Bahria Enclave, surrounded by lush green surroundings of Panigala with the most mesmerizing sceneries. 15 minutes away from the main Islamabad city, this society is the epitome of luxury and tranquility. Parkview City, Islamabad is located in the middle of the botanical garden with serene views. Parkview City is a legal and NOC approved housing project in Islamabad. It assures it values residents the most luxurious and comfortable apartment life they have ever desired. Parkview City terrace apartments offer the perfect blend of a luxurious lifestyle and convenient urban living. Located in the heart of the city, the apartments are designed with modern architecture and offer breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape with state-of-the-art amenities, top-notch security, and access to all major facilities. These terrace apartments are the ideal choice for families who desire the best. These apartments are an excellent living option for those who desire a small, convenient living space in this premium society. They are also a great investment opportunity as they tend to be more affordable than houses and are easier to access. Experience the best of Islamabad living with Parkview City terrace apartments between here and there mountains. These apartments are part of Parkview City, Islamabad, which is a luxurious residential project located in the heart of Islamabad's Zone 4. The Capital Development Authority (CDS) has given the official go-ahead for the Parkview City, Islamabad project to proceed, issuing the necessary NOC no objection certificate with its excellent location and wide range of amenities. Parkview City, Islamabad is sure to be a hit with those looking for NOC approved place to live and invest. It is the ideal destination for those seeking a tranquil, peaceful atmosphere while also enjoying the attractions of the bustling city. Parkview City Terrace Apartments is conveniently located for easy access to major areas of the city, with its peaceful sunsets and breathtaking sunrises. Parkview City provides the perfect setting for relaxation and serenity. Enjoy the tranquility of nature with the convenience of city living, the places and areas close to society. The dancing fountains at the downtown Islamabad lake are the biggest attraction of our beautiful capital city. Be mesmerized by the soothing movements of the water dancing fountains at the most in-demand commercial area of Islamabad. Parkview City Terrace Apartments offer the perfect blend of a luxurious lifestyle and convenient urban living. Located in the heart of the city, the apartments are designed with modern architecture and offer breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. With state-of-the-art amenities, top-notch security, and access to all major facilities. These apartments are an excellent living option for those who desire a small, convenient living space in this premium society. They are also a great investment opportunity as they tend to be more affordable than houses are easier to access. Experience the best of Islamabad living with Parkview City Terrace Apartments. You appreciate the beauty of nature by standing in your apartment's terrace. The sizes of apartments available in this project are 1 bedroom studio apartment, 2 bedroom apartment, 3 bedroom apartment. These are the ideal place for families. Parkview City Islamabad is an attractive investment opportunity for both local and foreign investors, and there are several reasons which make it attractive investment opportunity, and it is the best opportunity for investment. The terrace apartments also offer affordable 2 years payment plans so the investors can invest without breaking the bank. Overall, the terrace apartments provide a great option for those looking for a comfortable and affordable place to call home. This is excellent place to stay with your family. You will feel like staying for more days in Islamabad. Parkview City's terrace apartments is the latest addition to the already outstanding housing stream of the Parkview City Islamabad. These apartments will be developed keeping in mind the latest infrastructures. The apartments will offer salient features that come with the housing project. The apartments will be luxurious, but that does not mean that the prices of the apartments will not be kept affordable. Some people prefer apartments as they offer views from above. Considering the rich, green surroundings of Parkview City, the views from the terrace of the apartments will be breathtaking. If you have any questions, then visit the website of Parkview City Islamabad. It also be added contact numbers. It's have grocery store 24 Fairmart and it's have medical store. All items are available in this grocery store. So guys, if you afford, then it's best time for investment and buy this beautiful apartments in beautiful place. If you like my videos, then please kindly subscribe my channel and like, subscribe and share to others. And kindly buy to Family World 786. See you next video. Allah Hafiz.